From the state of Meghalaya. During his speech, Dr. Ricky Sinkon revealed his decision to enter politics motivated by a deep-seated desire to be a voice for the voiceless and a champion for the marginalized. He highlighted the importance of a new era of governance characterized by transparency, accountability and integrity for the progress of Meghalaya.
Barka parti ke jungi katon nama kena katau yang tak jungi junga yang kaban pun im pun bha ban pun kladur ban pun im pun bha ban pun kladur kata kene ke jungi kum ka party.
A massive fire engulfed a house in Sonidan village on Saturday evening, reducing it to ashes. The house belonged to Ithailis Kumdait and Tiwen Warjri, who lived there with their 5 children. Fortunately though, the family was away visiting their mother when the fire broke out. The fire is suspected to have originated from the kitchen, where they had recently cooked dinner before leaving. Local authorities, including the village headman Wanda Kumdait, promptly alerted the CNRD block office and the police for assistance. While efforts were made to provide relief, the family faces the daunting task of rebuilding their lives from scratch. Using the Garo traditional method of spreading information through drumbeats known as Duldoka, a program to educate the voters and enhance participation in the electoral process was held at Ampati Weekly Market. The Duldoka program attracted a huge crowd of young and old voters and even children. The program was organized as part of the sweep program in collaboration with Achik Theatre, Tura. Participating in the program as the chief guest, the Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officer, South West Garo Hills, Hema Nayak, interacted with the enthusiastic crowd, urging upon all eligible voters to come out in large numbers to vote on the day of polling on April 19, 2024. The Meghalaya Bihari Yuva Manch conducted a cleanliness drive in a stretch of the Umshirpi River flowing through the cantonment area. Workers of the organization took out a huge amount of garbage from the river. There was a lot of plastic waste in this garbage which causes great harm to the environment. It is known that Meghalaya Bihari Yuva Manch has been cleaning this river every year on the occasion of festivals. The cleaning campaign was done for Chaiti Chat festival. The newly constructed playground of Domoba in Sile village was inaugurated by the additional Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District, V. Swear, on Saturday. The playground was built under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or the MGNREGA project. The inauguration ceremony was attended by village officials and members of the Sile Sports Club. V. Swear spoke about the various assets villagers can acquire through MGNREGA, highlighting how the program has improved the lives and villages by providing proper roads, playgrounds, footpaths and washing ponds.
Kumka Gadwadi Center, kumka Dorbar Hall, kumka Light, Gini kilong ki asset ya kashnong. Bar kashnong ka badwan ya kini ki asset. Kalong kashnong ka baka kubha, bat ka ba itunat ka ba pin.
The Seng Samla Nongpo had organized and inaugurated the 4th Birchem Cup, an open Meghalaya basketball tournament at Sajer Basketball Court in Nongpo today. Raja Brahma, MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner, graced the event as the chief guest, while other dignitaries were also present during the tournament. The aim of this tournament is to promote sports such as basketball, to provide a platform to the youth and to fight against the menace of drugs. Players from across Meghalaya will be participating during the tournament. Speaking at the event, Raja Brahma, MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Reboy, praised the Seng Samla and said that they play a very important role in the development of the youth. Now for a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 25.2 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 13.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 56%, rising to 65% in the evening. The forecast tells us thunderstorm and lightning is likely to occur at isolated places. And for our viewers who missed out, here is a quick recap of today's top stories. Meghalaya CEO assures tight security arrangements. Police and BSF conduct route marches in the city. Lok Sabha candidates for the Shillong Parliament seat battle it out in a common platform, providing rationale to their candidature. Independent candidate Peter Chalam banks on conscience votes in the educated Shillong parliamentary seat. BJP seeks vote for NPP in Meghalaya, organizes a public meeting at Oakland. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.